Want to start your intralogistics journey? But you don't know where to start? There may be too many constraints for you to consider on your plant floor. Irish Manufacturing Research and the National Robotics Executive Committee have developed the Intralogistics Assessment Tool. This easy-to-use and open-access web tool aims to help you quickly understand which intralogistics paradigms suit your task best. 7 straightforward criteria have been selected to characterize your task. No complicated return on investment or spend justifications are required. The spectrum of intralogistics solutions has been divided in 7 paradigms, representing different technological options. You can check them out in the tool. The tool features a short set of questions that don't require any knowledge on automation, only your knowledge on the transport task at hand. To get your recommendation chart, simply rate the 7 criteria on the scale according to your knowledge of the task. The tool then provides you with a recommendation chart and a custom report detailing the suitable and unsuitable paradigms for your transport task. The full report can be downloaded and features insights on the key factors influencing the cost for each of the paradigms. Now you can start a conversation with system integrators, robot providers, and RTOs in all confidence.